What is going down, legends, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be looking at a key moment in time for Bitcoin. We are at its 50-week moving average, slightly below it currently. Not too concerned yet, but we do want to pray for a close above. We have been here before, so draw some confidence out of that. We dipped back below it here back in August 2024. April 2025, and we are here again. Positive note, we are at key support and it's currently holding on the RSI. So do we get a rally? Well, let's go on to the daily and investigate further. Let's get rid of all these drawings, get rid of all these indicators, and just look objectively at the daily. Right, so we are consolidating right by key support, just above actually. See this swing low here? That was back at 98,000, give or take a few bucks. As long as we can close above that 50-week moving average today, I think we could be in for a bullish week. If we lose that, worst case scenario for me is this level here, and that would probably send me short-term bearish, because if we lose this level, the chances, let's get me moved over here, the chances of us closing through here and revisiting this area increase quite significantly. So that's to the downside, but what about to the upside? Look above market, we've got all this support over here, and we've got this swing low. And just above that, very similar story. Let's change those colours for clarity. So in the short term, I've covered this before, but I think it's important to cover again. If we can get through here over the next few days and push higher, that would indicate a nice move is coming to the upside. But we have got this swing high here, that's at 116,000, and obviously we've got all-time highs there at the 126k mark. So really for me, today and certainly the next few days is going to dictate what is most likely to happen in the short term. If we just go back, this is all I'm watching today really. Today's close. See what happens here. But again, if we look at the bigger picture, shout out into the Cryptoverse, very good website. I just cannot see us top in here, and this was this cycle's bull run. I'm sounding like a broken record, but we are below fair value. Even this cycle's high over here was still below fair value. To me, that is extremely bullish. When we look at all previous cycles, every single one, I think Q4 is more than likely, well, not where we currently are, but the remainder of Q4 is going to be bullish. Don't forget, the Fed is still going to end QT. Treasury general account has almost $1 trillion sat there ready to be injected into the system. So while the charts may look bearish, or not bearish at the moment, I don't think it looks bearish, we're just at the 50-week moving average. So providing we can close above here, that would be very bullish. Macro side of things, very bullish. But really, it is just to give you an indicator as to what to potentially expect in the short term if we lose key levels, and what to expect if we break above key levels. So, hope you've got something out of that. Be safe, manage risk, and in the meantime, trade safe, keep the faith, stay bullish. Cheers.